YouTube is so exhausting, believe it or not. You can argue in the comment section. Okay, so have you ever felt drained by being on YouTube? Like, no matter the effort you put up, like no matter the kind of video you put out there, you like, let's say you spend time as filming a video, editing the video, creating your thumbnails, you're doing your SEO research, and you put the video out there, but then you see nothing is happening, no one is watching, no views, no subscribers, and even when they subscribe, they'll still
Oh
unsubscribe
my
back. God
god.
damn. See, this YouTube street is not easy. Sometimes I just feel like giving up, guys. I will not lie to you guys. So don't worry, guys. Giving up is never an option. This video, I'm going to tell you why YouTube is so exhausting. Okay, and why you don't need to give up, no matter how long it takes, no matter how exhausting it is. You don't need to give up. Okay, we still keep on pushing ahead because we know that we have a better goal for tomorrow, or we know that we all know our goals on this YouTube street. So giving up is never an option, no matter how exhausting or frustrating this app might be. We are not to give up. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, please, my name is Afion. Do it to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting much time, let's talk about being consistent. A lot of things that so many YouTubers preach is about being consistent. You need to be consistent on YouTube for you to go viral. We all know that the YouTube algorithm doesn't sleep. And you yourself, you don't want to sleep by reading that word consistency. Let me tell you, consistency does not mean that you need to like be uploading video every day. Don't get me wrong. I don't say posting video every day is bad though. When you know the kind of value you are bringing to the table, it's fine. All right. It's actually very okay. Okay. But if what you are posting is not bringing value to the table, it's not valuable. So what is the point of you stressing yourself? Okay, filming video that you know that at the end of the day, this video is worthless. Whenever you put a video out there or whenever you set up your camera and press on that record button to record any video, please always do well to like ask yourself this question. Like, who is this video for? If I should come across a particular channel and see this type of video, am I going to watch it? Am I going to watch it to the end? Like, what will even prompt me to click on that like button to like this video if I actually come across this video on someone's page? Okay. So it's not just about being consistent, filming. See, you're going to get yourself, like, I don't even know how to put it. You're going to suffer yourself the more, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. You know the kind of stuff you are doing. You know the kind of work you are doing. You know your own schedule. So just pick a scheduled day or time for you to be uploading your videos. It could be 2 times in a week. It could be 3 times in a week. It could be once in a week, depending on your own schedule period. Just pick a schedule, stick to it, let your audience know when they are expecting your next video, and that is fine. Okay. So another thing I want to talk about is the content creation grind. Okay. Creating content does not necessarily mean that you just put your camera, press on that record button, and you start recording yourself and you start blabbing nonsense. First thing, you need to make your research, right? You need to make research. You need to like binge ChatGPT, Google, and make your research. And you can actually come across an idea on YouTube and you pick up that idea, make your research, make your own video in your own unique way. You need to first of all make a research. You need to script that very particular video. You understand? I made a video now, you can script a video, you can actually watch that video. You need to script that very particular video. Yeah? You need to do a whole lot of things, creating thumbnails, doing your SEO research, doing all of those stuff like that before you actually put a video out there. So all these things takes time, it takes processes, especially when it comes to like editing video. Guy, it's not easy. If anyone should tell you that editing video is easy, it's a fatal lie. Even when I don't get to like edit like all these big creators, but still it still consumes time. All right. So you need to script your video, write your hook. Okay. You can actually be pausing while you are recording the video. When it gets to the point that you need to check back in the book that you actually scripted it, you just pause the video, go back and check. I know what is you are about to say. I know what you want to say, so that you not end up juggling around the bush, so that you not end up confusing yourself, saying what you're not meant to say. You just bit by bit. No one is rushing after you. You can be talking very slow, and at the end of the day, when you are recording, sorry, when you are editing your video, you get to speed up the video, and your voice will be very fast. No one knows. If you put it out there, they'll think that's how you film your video, that's how you speak, that's how you talk. No one cares about that. So I know that this YouTube street is very frustrating, but then we move. Giving up is never an option. All right. So another reason, which is number 3, why YouTube is very frustrating or exhausting, is the emotional toll of numbers. Guys, we just allow this to like sink into our heads. I don't say that as a small creator, I don't do that, but that was before, or like that was when I started my YouTube channel newly. I used to focus on subscribers. I used to beg people to subscribe. I used to do this. I used to do that. I used to like care about those views and everything. and subscribers. But that should not be your most priority. When you know that this thing is a long-term goal that you set for yourself, let this YouTube be like your own business, as if you are managing your own business. Give it what it takes. Just focus on creating value and forget about the numbers. One day, the algorithm might pick your video and you go viral. People actually think that the algorithm is doing some, is it favoritism or favoritism? I don't know what they call it. Like what I mean that the algorithm favor Afio and it doesn't favor Sonia, or it favor Emeka and it doesn't favor Chibwe. It's not like that. The algorithm actually favors everyone. Haven't you seen someone that just create a YouTube channel today and put a video and boom, 1 point something thousand views with how many subscribers, few subscribers lesser than your own? It favors everyone. It's based on your video, the metadata you're using for your video. That has to do with your hashtag, the tags, and the keyword and everything. The title, the thumbnail, how you speak, the hook used in catching or in grabbing the attention of your audience. Okay, so I mean the reason why you need to delete YouTube Studio app from your phone. Please don't wait to watch that video. So when you watch that video, you understand this part I'm talking about right now. The app is like it's one of an essential app that you need to have as a YouTuber. But when it has to come with mental stress and everything, guy, you don't need this app in your phone. Please do it. You can actually do it to watch that video because I explained everything in that very particular video. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about is never ending learning curve. What I mean is that as a creator on YouTube or any other social media platform that you might be, you always need to like explore. Do you understand? Get introduced to new things. Try out new things. Okay. We know how YouTube algorithm keep changes. You don't need to be stuck in one place for a very long time. It's abnormal. Okay. If you know that using this okay, if tomorrow I feel and this is how I did my video, tomorrow try to be creative. Try to like figure out what you can do. Try to like always try to like improve yourself in every aspect of your life or in every aspect in this journey of being a content creator. Always do well to like improve yourself. If I come today and record myself in the camera and I made a mistake, tomorrow I will try not to make a mistake or minimize the way I made the mistake. Chicken na cha cha. Someone that watched your yesterday video and come back to watch your today's video, you actually know that you are making progress. If you check back my video that I made some previous months when I started my YouTube journey, and now there are a lot of improvement, guys. I will not joke. I myself, I'm saying that I'm always grateful to God for how far I've gone. I don't have all the expensive equipment, but still I get to like make an improvement. Don't wait until you get paid on YouTube before you can get a tripod stand for yourself, before you can get a ring light, before you can get a LED light, before you can get a mic like this one I'm using for yourself. Don't wait until that time, guys. When you know your long-term goals, you will not focus on all this stuff. You will not focus on when I get monetized. No, now you should have actually wait until when you get monetized before you can actually start using your data to upload video. If it's like that, if it actually works that way, wait until when you are monetized before you, because you're actually spending your data every day uploading video, right? Just wait until you're monetized so that you will not be spending your money. This is a business. In any business, you lose, you win, but giving up is never an option. The technology keeps evolving, it keeps changing. YouTube algorithm keeps changing. Learn what works best for you and stick to it. You might see some other person say posting of short on your channel, while some other person are going with shorts. They are making money with posting shorts. Can you see? You just try your own, know what works for you, and you stick to it. Take it now. Please, if at this point you have not liked this video, I don't know what you're still waiting for. What are you still waiting for, guys? So please don't forget to like the video, guys. So don't forget to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and let's head straight to the last one. The last one I want to talk to you about is very, very important, and I know there's no way you can actually escape it. Is having negative comments from people. It could be from your loved ones, it could be from strangers. And when this comment comes in, what do you do to yourself? Okay, I remember when I made a video on avoid these mistakes, like the 10 mistakes that you need to avoid as a YouTuber, things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel or when I started my YouTube channel. So someone now came and comment under the comment section of that post. Do you guys actually know what the person said? He said, that is how you people will be preaching to people. And you don't get to do like it wasn't like that's how you get to like you guys get to like teaching people how to do the wrong thing, but then you don't implement it in your own part. Then I was still trying to figure out where this person was driving to. Like I needed to know his driving force, where it was actually heading to. What was he even talking about? I made a video on the mistakes I did, and you're here telling me, did I tell you come and make money in 100, come and make $100 in one day, and I don't show you proof of my payments? Sometimes people might actually come to your comment section and comment rubbish because some of them might not even understand what that video is actually all about. They might not even understand the concept of that video. They'll just come and feel like they need to rest. I had to deal with this guy. You know me now. I dealt with him. I just gave him a comment, that a reply that up to today he has not replied back to me. I was actually waiting for that. In fact, I need that bad comment. Please, if you have, you can need it. As far as I don't scam you, I don't dupe you, leave that comment for me in the comment section. You're actually helping me to grow. The more me and you keep on dragging, the more I'm going far. I are still left behind. Do you understand? If you don't get it, you forget about it. So that's just by the way. Okay. So when this negative comment come in like that, you not feel like you're not doing well. There's something you're missing out. This one, that one. You not get discouraged. For what? Who is that person that's giving you that reply that makes you to like start thinking you're not better, you're not okay for yourself? Don't allow any comment or anybody wear you down on this YouTube channel or this content creation journey. Ask yourself that. Okay. So sorry guys, I'll end this video very soon because the power supply got interrupted and I'm not doing this ring there. So that's just that for that, guys. I said let me share this little story with you so that for some of you that think that giving up is the best option, you don't have to. You don't need to. For those of you that think that, oh, if I should want to start creating content, what are my friends going to say? What are my family members going to say? Oh, yes. Are they going to put food on your table? Are they going to feed you? Are they going to put food on your table? So why should you care about what they will say? I don't care about what anyone will say. See, gone are those days that I used to be scared about what people would say about my accent, about how I speak, about whether I make a mistake. Gone are those days, guys. If you are scared, are they going to put food on your table? No. Are they going to sponsor your bills? No. Are they going to get you that dream house, that dream car, that dream house, clothes, shoes, wig, bag, all those stuff like that? Lady? No. So why should you allow whatever anyone will say or come to your comment section to say bring you down? I don't give a fuck about that. So I urge you today to keep a positive mind on those YouTube streets. Have a mindset that one day you get monetized. Have in mind that one day you made it at the top, and all those things going to be a story that you need to give to people. Have in mind that no matter what it takes, no matter how long it takes for you to get there, one day you shall definitely get there. And you look back at yourself and congratulate yourself that thank God you didn't give up, or thank God I came across affected digital video that got me like that gives me the courage that keep me moving. And I'll be so glad to be part of your success story. I'll be very, very happy. If at that time you need to like tag me, I'll be so, so, so happy, guys. So in this YouTube street, we shall all make it to the top. And giving up is never, never, never an option. Okay. Nobody will foot your bills if you give up. Nobody will do all of those stuff like that. So make your money for yourself, especially as a young lady, so that you'll not be begging for urgent 2K. So that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Please do well to like, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and let me know how this video has impacted your life. Okay, like let me know how this video has actually impacted your life, what you have learned so far in those videos, and most importantly, please do well to subscribe. Okay, why would you subscribe? You subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated whenever I post any video. Bye, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.